you want to log out of OneDrive on your computer, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps in just a moment. This is useful if you're switching accounts, troubleshooting sync issues, or simply want to disconnect OneDrive from a PC you no longer use. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, look down at your taskbar and find the OneDrive cloud icon. Depending on whether you're signed in or syncing, it may appear as a blue cloud or a white cloud. Click that OneDrive icon to open the Quick Access menu. This is where you can manage your OneDrive connection and access important settings. Once the OneDrive panel opens, look for the gear icon in the top corner. Click the gear icon, then choose Settings from the menu. This will open the OneDrive settings window where Microsoft stores all of the account and sync options for the app. Inside the settings window, you'll see several tabs across the top. Click on the Account tab. This section shows the Microsoft account that is currently linked to OneDrive on this device. If you're trying to sign out, this is the area you need. Now look for the option that says Unlink this PC. Click that button. OneDrive will ask you to confirm that you want to disconnect the account from this computer. This step is important because it stops OneDrive from syncing files on this device. When the confirmation box appears, click Unlink Account. After that, OneDrive will log you out on this computer and remove the connection between your Microsoft account and the PC. Your files in the cloud will remain safe, but syncing on this device will stop until you sign in again. If you ever want to use OneDrive on this computer later, you can simply sign in again with the same Microsoft account or another account. But if your goal was to fully log out, that is all you need to do. So to recap, click the OneDrive cloud icon, open Settings, go to the Account tab, select Unlink this PC, and then confirm by choosing Unlink Account. In just a few clicks, you've successfully logged out of OneDrive. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.